Hello children. Yes. So we are seeing lesson 2 in science components of food. Yes. Can you remember the vitamins and minerals children? Name some minerals. Yes. Iodine, iron, phosphorus, calcium. Why do we need to take calcium children? Yes, to make our bones and teeth healthy. Okay. So today I am going to take a new session, the continuation of the lesson only, balanced diet. Okay. So I want to ask you some questions before going to this topic. Okay. So what is the food you have eaten during your childhood age? When you born, you have drank milk, isn't it? Then after your 4 or 5 years gone, you have started to eat food. Yes? Yes. Do all aged people need same balanced diet? Do all people will eat same type of food? No. See, depending upon their work, the foods are taken. Okay. For example, a child, they are only doing playing, likewise. But if a 9 or 10-year girl is studying, playing, listening, so much activities. And likewise, a 22 to a 27 aged person will go for office and they have more works. Yes. And old age, nearly 60 to 70 aged people, they won't do much works, right? So the depending of the level of food taken for the persons, differently aged persons are differ. Okay, the level of quantity of food taken by a child is different from level of food, amount of food taken by grandfather is different. Okay, குழந்தைங்க சாப்பிட்ற ஃபுட்டும் கிராண்ட் ஃபாதர்ஸ் சாப்பிட்ற ஃபுட்டுக்கும் வித்தியாசம் இருக்குது இல்லையா? யார் இந்த 4 கேட்டகரியில் அதிகமாக சாப்பிடுவா? எஸ், 9 to 10 ஏஜில் இருக்க குழந்தைங்களும் 20 to 30 இருக்கவங்களும் அதிகமாக சாப்பிடுவாங்க இல்லையா? எஸ், குழந்தைங்க வந்து ரொம்ப குட்டி குழந்தைங்கிறதுனால அதிக ஃபுட் எடுத்துக்க மாட்டாங்க, கொஞ்சமாக தான் சாப்பிடுவாங்க. ஏஜ்டு பர்சன், தாத்தா பாட்டியெல்லாம் வந்து வயசாயிருச்சு, கண்டது சாப்பிட்டோம்னா நமக்கு ப்ராப்ளம் வரும்னு சொல்லிட்டு என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, ஃபுட்டை லிமிட் பண்ணிக்குவாங்க. ஸோ ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் அவங்கவுங்க வேலைக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி ஃபுட்டு தான் அவங்க எடுத்துப்பாங்க. ஓகே. So one should include all the types of nutrients in their diet. If you are as a whole day you are splitting the food into breakfast, lunch and dinner. So these 3 times you are eating a food. In those food items you must include all the nutrients. See, I will tell you now how much level of nutrients should be taken. For example, here bread and rice which are giving energy, you can take much, nearly you can take 60%. Okay, and sorry, not 60%, 40%. Okay, and the next one, you must include more fruits and vegetables in your food. Okay, so that should be 30%. And you can use milk or curd, meat, eggs, wild breeds, like those items you can take 20%, and only small amount of fats is allowed for our food, fat, oils and sweets. Okay, can you understand the percentage level children? Yes, 40% of energy giving and 30% of vitamins and minerals, 20% of proteins and 10% of fats and oil. Okay, so a man should have to include all the type of nutrients in his or her food. Okay. Oh, nutrients are missing. Okay, we are all taking nutrients. Then how sometimes nutrients are missing? Yes, eating right food is not enough cooked properly. See, whatever the food we are eating is okay. We cannot eat all the vegetables and fruits raw. Okay, sometimes some vegetables are cooked and then we can eat. So it should be cooked properly. And some vitamins and minerals are present on the skins of fruits and animals. So when we peel off or cut, they will last. And see, have you ever seen your mother have washed the rice before cooking? Yes. So often washing 3 or more times, many times washing of rice will remove some vitamins and minerals. Okay. And also while cooking, add enough amount of water to boil. If you add excess of the water, then all the nutrients present in the food gets mixed with the water and the nutrients are lost. And vitamin C gets destroyed by heat during cooking. And so, Bojo, he is a boy. He likes to eat only fat foods. Always he is eating french fries, bhaji, bonda, likewise. Is it good? Yes. Eating too much of particular nutrient is not good. What I told you children, you have to include all the nutrients in your food, not a particular type of nutrient. So, if you are eating only carbohydrate, it is not good. If you are eating only protein, it is not good. You have to include all the nutrient. But Bojo, he is a boy, he want to eat only fat food. Is it right? No. So, see the size of Bojo, he became so fat. Yes. So, he got a disease called obesity. Okay. Udal Baruman. See, if you are taking more fat foods, you may get a obesity. Okay. And see, here Bojo was eating only fat food. So, other nutrients are lacking, no. So, if any nutrient is lacking in our food, it may cause a disease. That is what deficiency disease. Okay. A continuous lack of particular nutrient in our diet for long days are called deficiency. அதாவது நம்ம ஃபுட்டில் நிறைய விஷயங்கள் மிஸ் ஆகுது. அந்த மிஸ் ஆகுறது தான் என்ன சொல்லுவோம், டெஃபிஷியன்சி. அதனால ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் வருதுன்னா டெஃபிஷியன்சி டிசீஸ். ஓகே. See here children, I have missed one. See here, this boy who is wearing green color pant. See, he is taking carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals, fiber, water. What nutrient he is missing? Yes, very good. Proteins. Yes. And who is wearing blue color pant? He is taking carbohydrate, protein and minerals and water. What are the two nutrients he is missing? He is lacking. Yes, vitamins and fiber. Yes. So, these are the lack of particular nutrient in their diet. So, they will have a deficiency disease. Okay. Can you understand what is deficiency disease? Okay. So, if we didn't take vitamin A, there will be a poor vision, loss of vision at night, complete loss of vision occurs. Okay. Mostly the major problem that comes as a night blindness. விட்டமின் ஏ ஃபுட் நிறையா சாப்பிட்லன்னா என்ன ஆகும், நமக்கு கண் பாதிப்பு அதிகமாக வரும். நைட்லலாம் கண்ணே தெரியாமல் போயிடும். சில பேர் பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா, ஒரு காலையில் 6 மணி ஈவினிங் 6 மணி வரைக்கும் கண்ணு தெரியும், அதுக்கு மேலே கண்ணு தெரியாது. இதெல்லாம் என்ன டெஃபிஷியன்சி அப்படின்னா விட்டமின் ஏ. நெக்ஸ்ட் விட்டமின் B1. ஸோ விட்டமின் B1, if you are lacking vitamin B1 in your diet, you may have a beriberi disease. That is, இந்த கை ஃபுல்லாக ஒரு தடித்த மாதிரி இருக்கும், கை காலெலாம் ஃபுல்லாக தடித்த மாதிரி ஆயிரும். ஸோ ரேஷஸ் மாதிரி. ஓகே. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் அக்கர் டியூ டு வீக் மசில்ஸ். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி வெரி அஃபெக்ட் ஆகிட்டா தோஸ் பர்சன்ஸ் they have weak muscles and they don't have enough energy to do the work. Okay. And also vitamin B12, if you are lacking, you feel so tired. Okay. And vitamin C. See, what are the vitamin C foods? Yes, orange, pineapple. Yes. So those foods, if you are lacking, you may have a scurvy disease. What do you mean by scurvy? Yes. First, the symptoms are, how can you find it is scurvy? By following symptoms. First, you will feel so tired. Then you will start bleeding in the gums and your blood count goes very low and you may have a high fever. If all the symptoms are seen, it is a scurvy disease. Okay. Mainly it affects our bleeding, it makes bleeding our gums. Vitamin D. Vitamin D are the mostly milk products are the vitamin D. If you are lacking in that, you may have a rickets. See, mostly all human have straight bone structure. Yes, see you can see here normal ஒரு பர்சனுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி தான் straight legs இருக்கும். But yeah, vitamin D lack இருக்கிற குழந்தைங்களுக்கோ இல்லை பர்சன்ஸ்க்கோ they may have a rickets. They have a bow shaped legs. வளைஞ்சிருக்கும் அவங்க கால். Okay. So, what are the symptoms? How will you identify them? The bones become so soft and bent. Okay? சில குழந்தைங்களுக்கு கால் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப மெலிசா சன்னமா இருக்கும். அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். இன்னொன்று வளைஞ்சிருக்கும். So, those persons may get a vitamin D deficiency disease called rickets. Calcium. Okay. See, why do we need to take calcium? So, we need to take calcium to keep our bone and teeth healthy. Okay, it may cause if you are not, for example, if you are not brushing properly, your teeth will get spoiled soon. Yes, likewise, if you are not taking calcium foods, your bone and teeth will get decay. Okay, see, how can you find you have calcium deficiency? Yes, you can find it by small simple ways. One, brittle nails. சில பேருக்கு நகத்துல வந்து கோடு மாதிரி விழுந்திருக்கும் பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? அந்த மாதிரி இருக்க கூடாது. அந்த மாதிரி இருந்தா கால்சியம் பத்தலைன்னு அர்த்தம். And some people's skin was so dry. Okay, ஒரு கொஞ்சமோட பசையே இருக்காது. அந்த மாதிரி இருந்தா கால்சியம் இல்ல. Okay, and they will often have tooth problems. So by these symptoms we can find the calcium deficiency. Iodine. See, iodine, if you are lacking iodine in your diet, you may have a goiter, thyroid problems, our necks will become swollen and it will become a thyroid problem. Okay, so after getting thyroid or goiter, we will have a difficulty in swallowing and difficulty in breathing. Okay, and the last one is iron. Yes, iron is the nutrient which is responsible for the formation of hemoglobin in our red blood cells. Okay, so if you are lacking iron nutrient in your food, you may have a anemia disease. Anemia என்னது ரத்த சோகை. உங்க உடம்புல போதுமான அளவு ரத்தம் இல்லை அப்படிங்கும்போது ரத்த சோகை அனீமியா அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். See, after getting this anemia, how will you confirm this need? You will feel so tired, your blood count goes very low and your eyes and your skin looks very pale. வெளுத்த மாதிரி தெரியும். blood இருக்கிற மாதிரி தெரியாது. வெள்ளையா வெளுத்த மாதிரி தெரியும். And you can have a leg cramps. அப்பப்ப கை கால் வலி அடிக்கடி வரும். So with these symptoms you can confirm anemia. Okay, children, we have completed our lesson. Okay, so if you have any doubt, feel free to call us. I will put your classwork tomorrow.